Hey everyone, this is Alex of Blind Car Garage. I got my friend James, Brian, and my dad Roger here, and this is the 61 Lancer we're working on today. Take it away, man.
Hey man, hi guys, how you doing? The 61 Lancer, we're going to do all the tune-up stuff on it today and change a whole bunch of parts. So here we go. Today's the day. Alex is going to take off all the plugs, replace those, and replace the coil and complete body tune-up. Stay focused. Stay with us.
I love these little lean burns.
Thank you very much. Don't lose it.
You're holding $4,000.
Right.
How much I could get for this?
Don't put nothing. The guys, don't put nothing on the car because I don't want to scratch up. So if you take something, find a clean place.
Don't lose them for real.
Left or right?
Instead of right here.
Right here on the bottom.
Hold the line up, But I was serious about the cost.
Yeah.
That would be like $690 without batteries.
All right. Do these need to stay in order, or we're gonna?
Yes, you got to stay in order because we're not going to forget.
At least
Make sure they're in order because I don't know the running order.
Take one plug at a time.
Where are these plugs at? Because I keep pulling the wrong things.
I see.
Let's put that back on. That will work on
You know what, Brian? Get a screwdriver. We're going to open up the trunk. We're going to have you do something else, okay?
All right. So where are the new spark plugs that are going in?
I'm going them out of trunk.
The front one. Or?
We got to check the gap on the plugs. We better bring our tools. I know, because we're going to move this car once you put this plug on. Same thing, same problem.
That's why you got to be careful, gentlemen.
Okay. Looking for the spark plugs. So let's just say all the first thing
We need a different spark plug socket.
All right, what size are they?
I don't know, but this one's not going in the hole.
Okay, get started.
Well, that is hot.
Oh, yeah, that's our spark plugs. See which ones they are. The slender ones. Normally they were the big ones back in the day.
Well, I can't really
They are the
feel
big
how much
ones.
they are.
They are the big ones.
Well, this doesn't fit.
No price on that.
No, it doesn't fit in there. It does. Stick it in there. It's the front one I got. It's the front one. Yeah, is the front one cylinder number 1 or cylinder number 6? All right.
Brian?
So right now we're trying to get the cylinder number 1 to pull that spark plug off, and it's in one heck of a spot.
Not the original motor.
It's not? How do you know?
On the work plugs.
This works perfectly. Here you go. Got it out? Nope. Oh, so it's got the small ones in there.
Which means it's not for the motor.
Alrighty. Well, now we know this motor's been replaced before.
Locking difference right here. Oh, for this lock? Yeah. So here's the
Holy shit, are you serious?
Alright, we'll have to get back to you guys.